Mm-hmm. Be careful, put it back on safety.
Go ahead.
You did it.
Clear.
Go ahead.
It won't last. Hold it tight.
When am I shooting at? The middle of that there?
Yeah.
Right there.
Say whenever you're ready.
Wind up. There you go. What happened?
How'd you do that? Huh? Yeah.
Get back that hammer. Here we go. Oh, you all right?
Oh.
Go.
I don't want to do it.
Do it again.
No.
All the way up to that scope.
Yeah.
Don't even use the scope. It's not even sighted in. It's just for spotting.
Is it safety app?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Squeeze it. Put your tongue back in your mouth.